All right, this might be the most exciting. I'm gonna say it again. The most exciting purchase when it comes to my air rifle collection. Now, and this also is gonna complete my air rifle 22 category. This will be my last 22 that I'll be buying. I believe I have no more reasons to be buying 22. So look, this is why. Bam, we got the 1322, the classic 1322. That's the pump action. You pump that 10 times and shoot one shot. This one here is almost the same thing. Diana Chaser. They have CO2 cartridges goes in here. I don't have to pump it. And I don't have to use my Step 4 Velvor PCP pump either. So I feel good about the fact that all I gotta do is pop one of these in there, shoot about, I want to say they say 40 to 60 shots. And we got action. A regulated shot. But we finna get outside and figure it out because I just sighted this in yesterday and I knocked the top off of a bottle. I wish I had the fucking video. I'm gonna go make another one today, honestly, with this one again. But yeah, man, I am excited about this. We got 22 caliber, which it's a single shot, but it takes 7-shot magazines, which I got some of them on the way from Pyramid Air. They should be here tomorrow or something like that. But let's see what's going on. We got 460. Let me turn the light off. 460 feet per second, 9.2 joules or 6.6 feet pounds. Then, like I said, one shot, single shot action, or 7-shot magazine I have on the way. Barrel length is 210 millimeters by 8.3 inches, or about 13.4 inches overall. Now let's open this up. The gun weighs only 1.9 pounds. Very, very light. This one's very light too. I think this is 2 pounds. I think this was 2 pounds out the box. Now, the people online, they brag about how this gun was sighted in coming out the box. That's what the gun was zeroed in. Let me open this up and I'll get back to y'all. So I got that open. I never said the reason this gun right here is my favorite. I mean, my most exciting purchase is because I was looking for this. I went down a rabbit hole trying to figure out which one I wanted to buy. We had 1322 Crossman and we had the 2240 Crossman, which is basically similar, almost the same thing as this. 2240 Crossman is a CO2 single shot version of the 1322 almost. It's a little smaller. But check this out. Only difference is I'm left-handed. I hold this gun with my left hand. I pull the bolt back on my right hand. Over here, the bolt is on the left-hand side. And I don't know if it's ambidextrous. It's impossible to be ambidextrous. So we're gonna see how that work out for me. But yeah, man, check this out. I'm about to get outside with these things and see what happens. That's a longer barrel too. I like this, man. Hopefully now my next thing the reason I got both of these, let's go back that way. I want to work on handgun skills. Like I said, I knocked the top off of a bottle yesterday. Yeah. So that was my first thing. Then I also want to customize some. I wanted you guys to watch me customize both of these. And honestly, since my daughter hunts with me a lot, I believe this one right here is going to be perfect for her because once I get the magazines, it's basically going to be like her using my Air Venturi Alpha without having to use the PCP pump. And all she got to do is swap out the CO2 cartridges. And we can go hunting, and I don't have to touch her weapon at all. You know, that's that independence right there. That's a proud dad moment, and it is some real hunting because, fam, we hunting. Not me hunting. But let's get outside with this, man. Like I say, yeah, check it out though. Everything on here is fully metal for the most part, except for the grip. Let's see. We got plastic grip. But as far as all of this, on this, you got a plastic breech. On the Crossman, let me stop focus there. On the Crossman, you got a 1322 with the plastic breech. Honestly, it's hard to find the steel breech online. I'm gonna buy it soon, but I only found like one, honestly. Pretty sturdy. That's nice. Let's get outside. They said this thing was sighted in out the box. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's doing some funky jumping. But Diana Chaser. Shout out to the people of Amazon because I could not find this gun nowhere. I've been looking online. I don't know if I said that. That was the most exciting part. I got lost. I got ADHD, y'all. So my conversations might jump around. But the most exciting part about this gun was I could not find it nowhere. So I ordered this on Amazon, and I looked on Amazon, and they were selling it. Pyramid Air was selling it on their Amazon account. So they were selling it through Amazon. So when I ordered this, I was kind of skeptical because when I went on Pyramid Air and I went on all the other websites, I could not find this 22 caliber for sale. I couldn't find it. All I could find is the 177. So when I paid for it, I honestly was like, oh, maybe Amazon made a mistake, and they really don't have this. They don't have it in stock. And I took a chance, and look at this. We got it delivered. You know, so I'm happy. I'm definitely happy about the fact that we got a threaded barrel. So yes. This is the best part right here. I don't know, daughter. I'm gonna get out here with this and put a silence on it. Put a put the, and then I'm gonna get my 8-shot magazine in. It's go time, man.